What's up, guys? Welcome to Invest Today. My name is Jack. Today, I'm going to put another $1,000 in the market. And I really want you guys to be saving as well and investing with me. So the next question now is, what am I going to do with this $1,000? Like, am I going to open a new position, buy the averages? And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to buy $1,000 worth of Facebook. Now, I already have exposure to Facebook in my Roth IRA account, but I kind of wanted some broad exposure on both of my accounts. And I think $1,000 is a good number to start with to kind of put into Facebook and see how it goes, because I'm very bullish on the stock in the long term, probably, all the way through the early 2020, 2021. And I think the stock has a lot of potential to go up and go up in a big way. And we've already seen that. It was at $217 again before it fell back down. And there's, probably 4 or 5 reasons I'm so bullish on Facebook and why I'm going to stick $1,000 more in that company. So let's get right into it, guys. The first reason is ad revenue. The ad revenue space on Facebook is a lot of little guys, drop shippers, small companies, startups, restaurants in your area. And there's still millions and millions and millions of dollars spent on television advertisement by big companies, and it's kind of useless. The demographic has shifted. TV rates, the ratings for all different types of shows, and even sports like the NFL has gone down in a big way. And why is that? People are online more. They're either on Facebook or they're going to watch some sort of online streaming service. So I believe over the next 1 to 2 years, this Facebook ad space is going to get totally bought out. You're not going to see those little guys anymore, in that space buying ads, because they're going to get bid out by the big companies, like Fox or some news agencies, and they're going to get bid all the way up, and the ad prices are going to skyrocket. So instead of $10 to expose your ad to 300 people, now we're going to talk thousands and thousands of dollars, and all those advertisers on TV are going to come into Facebook. Facebook has a cheap valuation. Let's take a look at the valuation here. Okay, guys, you can see that as of 9:15, Facebook closed on Friday at 162.32. It has broken its support, and the 50 is going to be crossing over the 200-day moving average. That's the yellow line that's about to cross over the red line. The 20-day, which is the blue line, has already broken the 50, and it also has already broken the 200. So that's typically a bearish signal. However, when you look at the volume, it's staying pretty consistent after, it's heavier volume for sure in these last, I'd say, since the correction happened and it entered into bear market territory. But we can see very little momentum. That's right below the volume. Those are the red and the green lines. Even though the stock is down so much, there's very little red momentum. And often there was last year a little chunk of green in there when it built up on its little rally right after 817.18. But the most important thing that I want you guys to take a look at today is the market forecast, which is the bottom graph. It has the green, the red, and the blue lines. Typically with the market forecast, the green line is really the one you want to pay attention to. When it is above 80, it is in an overbought position, and when it is below 20, it is in an underbought position. Now the thing is right now is the green line is under 20, signaling it's underbought, or it could be undervalued. And we also want to look for it being pointed in the up direction. Again, if it's under 20 but it's pointed straight down, it's probably not the best time to buy. But if we're looking at it right now, it's pointed sideways. One little up day, maybe 0.75% would get that pointed up, and that would be honestly the perfect time to buy in. So if I was looking to buy Facebook, I would do so right now. And as I told you guys, I'd probably like to get it in around $160. So I'll have my $1,000 going into the market at around $160 right now, guys. Another huge reason I'm so bullish on Facebook is they're growing their business and their profits. The big reason they had their original sell-off is that instead of growing 40% year over year, they're now growing 30% year over year. And it seems ridiculous that it dropped so much, but that freaked a lot of people out. And you're kind of seeing the growth investors pull out of that Facebook stock, and you haven't seen the value investors such as myself and others really come into it in a big way. And I really believe that once you have that rotational money come in, the stock's going to come right back to where it was and then make new 52-week highs. You see Instagram and WhatsApp. It's they're going to monetize those platforms. It's only a matter of time. Instagram they're doing some ads now, but again, it's still little guys that are in Instagram, and then they need to monetize WhatsApp, and they're going in that direction. It's just a matter of time, and when that happens, all of a sudden their businesses will start exploding and growing revenues way more than 40%. Now, the Facebook marketplace is another giant reason I'm bullish on Facebook. If you look how much success Amazon has had, their stock price was like $2,000, second company to break the $1 trillion market cap. The Facebook marketplace has a amazing potential to be just like Amazon in the future. We're talking more long term, like 5 years or so. But if you look, they can kind of look at your ads that you click on and that you like, and they have all that analytic data on you specifically, and then they can tailor certain products to you. They almost have a better opportunity or better potential to create a sale than Amazon does, because Facebook, they already have all your data. They know exactly what you like, what you don't like through your like pages and your comments and posts. So they can take those analytics data and they can use that to tailor certain products to you. And that, I believe, the next 5 years is going to be a major, major profit machine for Facebook. Finally, the last reason I'm so bullish on Facebook is they have a great management team. Something I look for when I'm buying any company is are they founder led? I love founder led companies. Mark Zuckerberg and then Sheryl Sandberg. They have a great management team. They've been there forever. They know the business, and they're honestly not going anywhere anytime soon. And I just believe that they're one of the best CEOs, and their CFO staff, COO. They have a great lineup, and because of that management team, it really poises the business to continue to grow through all those ways that I just listed. And only time will tell. So maybe Facebook will trade sideways for the rest of 2018. It could go down. I honestly believe until the next quarter, it's probably going to be range bound. Trade sideways, and then possibly they need some sort of catalyst. No government regulation could be a catalyst. Government regulation could be a major downside, but overall, when we're looking multiple years out, I don't think it'll be much bigger of a deal at all, guys. So thank you, guys. Please click the subscribe button right here. Throw me a like, throw me a comment. What did you think of this video? Do you want me guys to announce, all my positions that I'm going to get into in the stock market? So let me know. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you next time.